Hey folks, Mark Kelly back here again with Inbound Revenue. I hate to bore you with massive success, but I wanted to go over another auto glass client of ours and the success that they've had. These folks do both in-shop and mobile auto glass repair. So I'm going to walk you through a little bit of what we've done for them. So as always, we built them out a search campaign. As always, we started out with manual CPC. As always, we send it to an unbounced landing page that we've designed. And as always, we track every lead, every conversions, every call, every form with what converts. So let's dive into the results. This is the last 30 days. So what we've seen here is we've got a budget of $50 a day. With that $50 a day, we've managed to generate 114 conversions. Again, phone calls, form fills, calls from ads, calls from the landing page, form completions. And we've nailed a 50% conversion rate, which is beautiful, with the leads at $11.30. Let me dive in and talk to you a little bit about how we do that. Because one thing that you'll hear sometimes when it comes to Google Ads is that they are set and forget. Not true at all. We've had this client for a while. Every month we continue to look at new things that we can do to drive and optimize their campaign results. I'll show you one example right here. So if you take a look at this, the first ad group that you see is called Test Keywords. That's something that we implemented recently to do what? Test some new keywords. And you can see the results. We've generated 13 conversions with a cost per conversion of about $8, with a massive 72% conversion rate. So testing things like that is why we do, that's one of the reasons that we're continually, month over month, testing the results, trying to find new ways to drive more results and to earn our keep. As you can see, we break everything down into phrase and exact match single keyword ad groups in order to track performance, in order to be able to manage at the smallest, most micro, most discrete level to get the most results for our clients. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how we do things, how we drove these crazy results for this particular client. 114 leads in the last 30 days, 50% conversion rate with a very low cost per conversion of $11.30. Thanks, folks.